Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's an Honda NC700. Cracking bikes these, perfect for commuting on. They do 1,000,000 miles to the gallon, well not that much, but around 60-70 miles to the gallon. Fuel tank, oh where is it? Oh I can't find it. It's actually in the back. Where the fuel tank would normally be on any other motorcycle is now where you can put your jam sandwiches. Oh yes, if not a little bit of cheeky peanut butter. If you can fit it in, probably a bottle of Fanta as well. Anyway, let's click it the other way. Ooh, look at that. Ah, fuel. It's also got your little thing there to keep it up out of the way. Glug, glug, glug. Right, let's pop that down again. Click that down. And then we can turn her on. Anyway, give you some facts and figures while we're just looking a bit more around the bike. It's a 2012 on a 62 plate. It's only done 411 miles altogether. Oh yes, it did say 38 there. It had a clock change just onto it, all done by the Honda themselves. However, let me give it a cheeky little start up. Ooh yeah. Delicious. Anyway, all that power also comes with ABS as well. So all you need to do, pop yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call on this one. Mic drop.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.